Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. Motorhoming fun. We're on day 2 still. It's Wednesday afternoon and we're out for our second walk of the day. So we're going to head down to the beach, as I said in this morning's vlog. We're going to see if we can see those pillboxes on the beach, and I think we're going to head towards, I think it's called Fraisthorpe, and there's a little cafe restaurant there I just want to walk to, and I think it's called the Cowshed. So we're going to head that way, and that hopefully it stays dry for us. The weather hasn't got any better this afternoon. It's still a little bit breezy, cloudy, not much blue sky, but we can't do much about that, everybody. So come with us on our walk. Hope you enjoyed this morning's 2-part vlogs and do remember to give me a like, a comment, and even a subscribe on this one, please. Right, so we're going to go out the site and we're going to go down that little side lane where we come back yesterday. We're going to head that way, take the road a little bit further past those 2 little campsites we went, or those fields which were temporary campsites the last time I was here, and pick up the beach along there. I think technically it's called Wilsthorpe, the beach, and that it's probably not called Bridlington because we're a couple of miles away from there, but that's the intentions for this afternoon. Well, just so you know, the Tasty Donna Park Grill, that wasn't open last night, so I'm guessing it's possibly only in the busy periods and Fridays and weekend that's open. Right, so instead of taking the main road down to the beach, we're going to take this one on our right hand side, past those little cottages to rent and everything, sort of the back way in, and hopefully it's going to be a nice walk this afternoon. Could be in the region of about 3.5 miles in total. Right, so we're going to take a little right here. We'll go along the road. The beach is straight down there ahead of us if you want to go that way, but I think we can cut a little bit of the beach off by walking to the right, if I remember. And as I say, these are the fields. I was trying to think of the word for these yesterday, and I think they're what they call like rally fields, where different rally clubs come on different occasions and hire them out. So yeah, I believe these are, as I say, caravan, motorhome, campervan rally fields. Right, I think this will get us down to the beach now. Residents only further down that way. Right, I dare say we've got most of the beach to ourselves this afternoon. There'll be the odd sprinkling of people walking. The sea is quite far away. What we'll do is we'll probably, well, we'll head along here first, I think. Well, this guy's, I think, choosing the way she wants to go. Right, it looks like we're heading down towards mainly the sea. I think the pillboxes are near to the top end where we're going to go to that Cowshed, Fraisthorpe. So if we don't see them going, we'll pick them up on the way back. We're about 0.9 of a mile in, that was, to that position to get on the beach. So there's not much in it either way you go. I think it was about 0.6 this morning, then you got a coming on the beach a bit, so it's probably about equal distance, everybody. Well, this reminds me a bit of Wales next to the sea, Holcombe. Big expanse of wide open beach once the sea goes out. It would be nice if it had a little bit more sunshine, tad warmer. I have just got a t-shirt and a body warmer on, everybody. Still got the shorts on. You know, we've had shorts on for the last 12 months, even during the winter. Right, let's see if we can just head down to the water's edge a little bit. We've got wet feet. Well, I don't think we're going to get cut off by the sea today. Those who watch Filey, what was it, 18 months ago, there are 3 occasions where we misjudged the tide coming in. There was, but in the end we were okay, everybody. But I think we're certainly okay today here. About 1.5 miles so far on this walk. I can see what's left of pillboxes on the far end of the beach. We're going to get a little bit further, see if we can get some drone flight as well. Have to use a bigger drone as well this afternoon. Right, so over there, that top end, you can probably, I don't know whether you can make out, there's some camper vans up there, caravans. That's a little site up there, and I think that's where the cowshed little cafe restaurant is as well. Right, we'll just head along here for another 5 minutes or so, and then we're going to backtrack ourselves, go up towards that cowshed, show you where that little campsite is, and then we'll walk all across that top end on the way back. Well, I think looking at the skies, you'd think it was October, November, wouldn't you, everybody? I know it's going to get better once we go home Friday, but we have to make the most of it while we're here. A little bit of a wet foot again there. I'm just going up to this big rock up here. I don't know whether it's an old pillbox or not, but if not, we'll see if we can get a drone flight down the beach. Quite low level, and that, everybody. Come on, darling, this way. Right, we're just about 2 miles in, so we are up for a 4-mile walk this afternoon. 6 this morning. We had an early morning walk as well, plus we'll have a later evening one, so today we're going to be in the region of 12 miles, I guess. Right, so we're just coming up to these rocks now. This is as far as we're going to walk this way. As I say, I believe it was an old pillbox what was on the hill years ago. I don't know where the cliffs have receded, that's why it's this far down the beach. I would have thought it was too heavy for the seas to bring it down this way, but you know, the power of water, everybody, it can do anything. So we'll just get a little bit further. So we're going to take a drone flight down the beach as well. Well, there you go, everybody. Got like an arch, bit of a dome on the top. Right, heading back now. Quick drone flight that was, everybody. A little bit of low level flying over the campsite and the cowshed and everything, so do watch that when it gets released. Right, so that was about 2.3 miles in total, everybody, to that point. What are you doing up there? Hey? Right, I'm guessing this would be an old pillbox, but would it be on the hillside? And the hillside has collapsed down. As I say, it's too heavy for it to have just shifted in the sea. A little bit of a gap there you can see to get in, but it's definitely a concrete structure, as are part of these pieces. Come on, Sky. Right, we'll head up towards the cowshed now. I think there's a few more bits further along, but we need to go up this top here now. Let's go up here. I'll show you that little campsite, cowshed. There's also a bit of a car park up here. So there's a nice little campsite if you wanted somewhere quiet for a few days and that, just relax, pop on the beach with your dog, have a look near the cowshed, Wilsthorpe, Fraisthorpe. Right, just show you in here. Can't tell you if it's open, closed up. There's a few outdoor tables. Right, so a few people dining outside. You got a little takeaway section which is closed, called the calf shed. You've even got a dog wash there. Fraisthorpe Beach. Let's have a look at prices. Tea coffee is about £3.95, £3.65. Yorkshire tea £2.50. What you got? Scones, butter, jam £3.45. Homemade sausage rolls £3. So that's a little covered section. This is obviously called the main cowshed. People dining indoors. I don't know whether dogs are welcome. Welcome to the cowshed. Winter opening hours to March, summer. What we got? Summer opening 1st of April to October, Tuesday to Sunday, 9:30 to 4:30. Well behaved dogs welcome in main area. Right, so this is a little private campsite. There are some electric pitches there, everybody. It's all grassy, it is, so choose your spot wisely, I guess, and that, levellers and that, but as I say, nice little secluded little spot, and you've got the cafe next door for dining. This way, Sky, come on. Right, so we're heading back now. Just a few more structures just along here, I think, and that. We might come back this way in the morning tomorrow when the water's more higher up, and if we want to walk into Bridlington, do the reverse tomorrow in the afternoon. But you can see the cliffs and that, they're all eroding away. You know what it's like on the east coast, how to keep a nearly 11-year-old dog fit. Plenty of walking, everybody. Same for me. She's doing well, she is. She was struggling 6 months ago, as I've told you in other videos and vlogs and that, but she seems to have picked up since she's been on medication.
Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm off the chart. Stand up and take it as I go. Stronger than ever. Faded, it's not a shade of mine.
Right, these are the other ones. Obviously all the entrances look like they've been sealed up.
I'm gonna hold the line, and I'm gonna be just fine.
I've got another one just along here. These are definitely perched on the top.
Take it as I go. Stronger than ever. Faded, it's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine.
Looks like Sky's going exploring. Right. I don't know whether we can get around. We do, we're going to duck, everybody. Go on then, Sky. Oh, it's a bit low for me. Oh, now Sky's dropped the ball. Oh, I'm on my knees. Oh, awkward when you've got a rucksack on your back. Where's it gone, Sky? Find it. I think she lost the ball under there. Right, good job we carry 2 balls. She lost the other one underneath those rocks. Wow, I've got a hint of brightness about the afternoon now. Certainly brighter than it was an hour ago. Well, it does make you wonder what these were for as well. They're in a long line. I don't know whether they went all the way down the beach, possibly not. Obviously some sort of defences. We've got some similar structures here, all square shaped, almost in a diamond formation, going the length of this stretch of sand. Oh, we've actually got one still on the cliff there. You can see similar ones, squares, diamonds on this back edge as well. Good girl. I don't know whether we can have a look. Just wait there, Sky. I'm gonna get up. Oh, have a little wander. Down there. You can have a look in there. In there. This way. Come here. Right, we'll go in. There you go. Bit of straw in there. Not going too far. And you've got the windows there. Right. Come on, Sky. Good. I don't like going too far in those places. You don't know whether druggers have been in there with needles and things. Down here. Right. Get down. Oh! Right. Right, so we're going to go back the same way as we come. Hope you've enjoyed our little wander along the beach. Right everybody, I think we're going to conclude that little walk at this point. We're already heading back the same way as we done yesterday, so thank you very much. If you enjoyed it, please do give me a little like, a little comment maybe, and I'm not too sure if we'll do anything tomorrow everybody. We're already going to go over the same as what we've done today, so we might just have the day on our own, me and Sky, without any filming. So we'll catch you all soon, and whenever that may be. So thanks again from Ian and Sky. Bye for now.